Hey guys, welcome back. So today in this video we're gonna talk about Aroon Indicator. We're gonna see how Aroon Indicator works and what is the logic behind Aroon Up and Aroon Down, and how you can use Aroon Indicator in order to detect trends, the trend reversals, and the breakouts that happen. Okay, so it's a pretty good indicator, and combine it with the price action and you've got a pretty good trading setup. So without any further ado, let's dive into the Aroon Indicator. Aroon Indicator is used to identify the trend and the strength of the trend. By using Aroon Indicator, I can tell if the trend is going to remain sideways, or if it's going to break out, or if it's going to reverse or not. All these things can be told after analyzing the Aroon Indicator. Okay, so let's see. First of all, let's see how it works. So here's the formula for Aroon Indicator, and as you can see, there are two terms in Aroon Indicator, and as you can see here, there are basically two terms. Okay, first one is Aroon Up and the second one is Aroon Down. So let's discuss the Aroon Up first. The formula for Aroon Up is basically 25 minus periods since 25 periods high, okay, and divided by 25 multiplied by 100. So now let me explain what this actually means. So let me go here, and as you can see, we use 25. You can also use any other number here, okay, but by using 25 we get the most accurate results. Okay, so first of all, let's see how Aroon Up works, or how Aroon Up is plotted. So let me take the measuring tool, and as written here, let me measure the 25 candles. Okay, so let me go back. So here are my 25 bars, and now as I'm calculating Aroon Up, so I have to look for the candle which has the most high among these 25 candles. Okay, so that candle is here, this one basically. So let me zoom in a little bit more so that I can show you. Okay, so let me draw it again here, and here are 25 candles, and in order to calculate Aroon Up, we have to look for the candle which has the most high among these 25 candles. So in order to calculate Aroon Up at this point, we detect the most high candle among these 25, and then we count its number. So basically we count it from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, so the 16th candle from this is basically the most high candle among these 25 candles. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just put this number inside our formula and can calculate the Aroon Up value. So let me pull up the calculator, and so basically 25 minus 16, okay, that comes out to be 9, and divided by 25, that is 36, multiplied by 100. Okay, so this comes out to be 36. So our Aroon Up value at this point is basically 36, as 25 minus the period since 25 period high, that was our 16, and then divided by 25 and multiplied by 100. Okay, so now let me validate our calculation which we just did. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Aroon Indicator and see how much accurate we were. Okay, so let me apply the Aroon Indicator here, and we calculated our value at this candle, right? So let me first of all, let me go ahead and change the setting here. So since I used the 25, so I'm going to change this value to 25, the length, and I'm also going to change the Aroon Up and Down color. So I like to use up for green and red for down. So I'm gonna hit OK, and now at this candle we calculated the Aroon Up to be 36, right? So let me go ahead and show you what is the value here. So if I plot it here, So you can see, like, we calculated at this candle the Aroon up value to be 36. Okay, and we can see from the indicator itself that the value is actually 36, right? So let me just delete that. And in a similar way, you can also calculate Aroon down, but in Aroon down, what you have to do is, instead of measuring the most high candle, you have to measure the most low candle among the 25. Okay, so the most low in these 25 candles is basically this. Okay, and if I calculate 0, 1, 2, and 3, so basically this is third candle. So 25 minus 3 divided by 25 multiplied by 100 would be our Aroon down value at this candle. So that is 88. Okay, so now let me again verify that, and if I go here and click it, that you can see it is 88, almost 88%. Okay, so now you see how the formula works and how the Aroon indicator works. Let's explore how you can use it in order to detect the trend reversals and the strength of the trend. Okay, first of all, let me show you the options that you get in Aroon indicator. So here you have the option to change the number of candles or the length that you want to inquire. We mostly use 5, which is also advised to you as well, because 25 value gives most accurate results. And here you can also change the colors of your Aroon up and Aroon down. Okay, so as I said, I like to use green for Aroon up and red for Aroon down, so I'm gonna leave it to that, and that is the setting that you get for your Aroon indicator. So as I said earlier, that Aroon indicator can be used in order to detect the trend and the strength of the trend, and it can also be used to detect the trend reversals. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, let me just remove this, and what I'm going to do is show that to you on the live, on the chart here. Okay, so I'm gonna go here, and so basically we have, so there are basically 4 regions that I have drawn in order to show you the working of Aroon indicator. And so let's see and let's analyze these areas. So let me just confirm the setting. The length is 25, which is what I want. And whenever you see Aroon indicator, the Aroon up and Aroon down moving parallel to each other, as you can see here, that basically means the price is going to move sideways, as you can see here. Okay, and whenever the prices are touching, like the Aroon up is touching the top and Aroon down is touching the bottom, that means that the trend is going to break out. Okay, and as we can see here, the Aroon up is at top level and Aroon down is at bottom level. Like Aroon up is close to 100% and Aroon down is close to 0%. So the trend is going to be basically bullish dominant. Okay, as you can see from here, it started to become bullish dominant. And as soon as this crossover happens, so whenever there's a crossover between Aroon up and Aroon down, there's going to be the trend reversal. So as you can see here, the crossover happened and the trend got reversed. Okay, and in a similar way, we can tell from here that this is basically a range, because there is no visible trend here, and you can also see the price is moving parallel to each other. Okay, and here the price is not moving parallel, instead it's touching the extremes ends, like the Aroon up is touching the extreme highs and Aroon down is touching the extreme lows. And in this region here, again the same thing is happening. First of all, the crossover happened, which meant that the breakout happened. Okay, and as you can see here, that Aroon up is close to 100 and Aroon down is close to 0. Okay, so that's why the trend again is bullish dominant. And that is how you can use Aroon indicator to tell if the price is going to move in sideways manner and in a range, or if there's going to be a trend before it actually happens. So let me just repeat that whenever the Aroon up and Aroon down are moving parallel to each other, the price is going to continue in sideways in a range. As can be seen here, the Aroon up and Aroon down are moving parallel, and the price is continuing in a range. But when the Aroon up and Aroon down are touching the extreme ends, the price, there is going to be a trend. Okay, and it's either going to be bullish or bearish. Here the trend is bullish because Aroon up is at the top end, that is close to 100%, and Aroon down is close to 0%. And if there were like the Aroon down was close to 100% and Aroon up was close to 0%, then the price would have gone bearish. Okay, there would have been a bearish trend. But in this case here, the trend is bullish because Aroon up is close to 100 and Aroon down is close to 0. And again, in this region, the price started moving parallel to each other, and there was basically no visible or prominent trend, but it instead made a range. And here the breakout happened because both Aroon up and Aroon down crossed each other, and whenever they cross each other and start to move at extreme ends, there's basically the trend. This is basically the start of trend, and the more they're close to extreme ends, the more strong the trend is. Okay, so that way you can also detect the strength of your trend that you are analyzing. So I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I would love to answer them. And you can also visit our website www.forexb.co in order to learn more about price action and Aroon Indicator and Forex. And please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button so that you can get notified of our upcoming videos. And see you guys in the next video. Thank you.